In this video, we're going to be looking at powers and roots. So powers and or indices are a way of writing numbers that are multiplied by themselves. So 2 times 2 can be written as 2 squared. 2 times 2 times 2 can be written as 2 cubed, and 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So if we wanted to write the following in indices, we have to take all the numbers that are multiplied by themselves and that are the same number and write them to the exact same power. So here we can see we have 2 2's, so that will be 2 squared. How many 3's do we have? We have 2 3's, so that's multiplied by 3 squared. The next number up would be 4, there's just 1 4, so it's just multiplied by 4. The next number are 6's, there's 1 2 6's, so it's times 6 squared. There are 2 7's, so cross out the 2 7's and it's times 7 squared. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 9's, so it's multiplied by 9 to the power of 4. Now roots are the opposite of powers, indices. If 3 squared is 9, then the square root of 9 is 3. So if 15 squared is 225, then the square root of 225 is equal to 15. Now if 5 cubed is 125, then the cube root of 125 is going to be equal to 5. Now, you need to be able to estimate powers and roots. With powers and roots, a number can be estimated using the nearest integer above and below that number. So if we wanted to estimate the value of 3.7 cubed, we can take 3 cubed, which is 27, and 4 cubed, which is 64. Now, as 3.7 lies more to the right-hand side between the two, we know that it's going to be somewhere around 50. Looking at our number line, we can see that 3.7 does lie nearer to the right-hand side, so a good estimation would be 50. Now, if we did 3.7 to the power of 3, we get 50.653, which is a very close approximation. Now let's have a look at another one, this time involving square roots. We have to estimate the value of the square root of 53. So we know that the square root of 49 is going to be equal to 7. And the square root of 64 is equal to 8. So we know that 53 lies somewhere between these two integers, 7 and 8. Now, since 53 is closer to 49 than it is to 64, we can give a rough approximation that the square root of 53 is approximately 7.3. If we did the square root of 53, we get 7.28, which is a very close approximation and very close to our answer of 7.3. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.